And good morning, it's Brandon with 247health.com. I'm going to show you how to do a home chest and tricep workout through push-ups. If you don't have the strength to do a normal floor push-up, first place to start will be on the wall. You just take about 1 or 2 steps back away from the wall, hands about up level with your head. Head straight, chest up and out, and simply push back and forth. Your legs should be about 1 to 2 steps back from the wall. Keep them straight. Your whole body should be in a straight line, down and up. Don't forget to breathe. If you can do 10 to 15 of these easily, then you're going to want to do about 2 to 3 sets. If it's hard, then you know you're starting in the perfect spot. Second, I'll show you how to do the next variation. Once these are too easy for you, you can do a counter push-up. Alrighty, next step of the push-up that can be done at home for beginners is a countertop. You can use the back of a sofa. You can use the corner edge of your bed. The lower it is, the harder it's going to be. Couple steps back, body straight, neck straight, down and up. Don't forget to breathe. Try to go for 10 to 15 reps. Once you can do that, do 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15, maybe even 20 reps. And again, you can do it on the back of a couch, the back of your bed. The lower it is, the harder it's going to be. The next step will be going to the floor to your knees. There you go. Even a little bit lower on the back of my couch. Step back, body straight line, and down. And you're going to notice how this is going to get a little bit harder now. You can vary the speed as well. Go down slower. And back up nice and slow. If it's too easy, this is what you're going to want to do, because you're going to want to get the workout, get the burn. That's the key. You can do this in a matter of minutes if you do it correctly. Take your time, go slow, go for the burn. And the edge of your bed will even work. Everything's the same, straight line, head up, neck straight, down and up. And if you want to make it a little bit harder, push up harder, explode up. Get a few of those, do 1 set like this. And next, we'll go to the floor. All right, now we're down to the floor. I got a nice little yoga mat here. And same principle here, except we're going to go from our knees. Straight down, head up, body straight, chest out, down. Don't forget to breathe. Same thing here. Depending how strong you are, where you're at, you want to do 10, 12, 15 reps, maybe even 20. And once you can get up into the higher rep range, you're going to want to do a couple of sets, 2 to 3 sets. And you can vary it. You can go super, super, super slow. You can hold it on the bottom for a few seconds, then come up. Change it up a little bit. It's always good to trick the body and not do the same thing every single time. And then, once you get the knees, then you can go to a straight, regular push-up, feet on the ground, straight body, up and down. All right, there you go. There's our chest push-up beginner workout that you can do anywhere. You can do it at the office, you can do it at in your house, anywhere. You can do it off the corner of your bed, your countertop. There should be no excuses to do some good resistance exercises to help you strengthen your chest, your triceps, and your shoulders through these push-up variations. Start slow, do one set, as many as you can do, and then work your way up from there, and then go to each next level once you can successfully perform 2 to 3 sets of anywhere from 10 to 20 reps of the push-up. And then I'll show you some other exercises that we can use with bands here. I love band workouts. I've put myself a nice piece of wood here, and I'll show you some other chest various exercises. There's a lot of exercises you can do from home with bands. Thanks for watching. It's Brandon with 247health.com. I hope you have a great day.